In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly how to safely restart your n8n workspace to clear minor glitches, refresh stuck executions, or apply certain changes without touching your underlying data. Think of this as a quick reboot for your automation environment, not a factory reset. Your workflows, credentials, and settings remain intact. Start by heading to n8n.io in your browser. This brings you into the familiar n8n interface. Before we proceed, a quick note: you'll need admin permissions to perform a restart. If you're part of a team, consider letting others know there might be a short downtime and make sure any critical automations aren't mid-run. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface and open the admin panel. This area houses workspace level controls and settings that affect the entire environment. It's designed to be easy to find but slightly tucked away to prevent accidental clicks, which is helpful when you're managing a shared workspace. Inside the admin panel, select Manage. This will open the administrative controls where you can review workspace details and access maintenance options. Take a quick moment here to ensure you don't have unsaved changes in any editor tabs. Restarting interrupts active sessions for a brief period, so it's best to save your work first. Next, scroll down the page to locate the workspace maintenance section. You'll notice options related to stability and upkeep. The restart option is what we're focused on today, and it's intentionally placed a bit lower on the page to encourage a deliberate action. When you're ready, choose Restart Workspace. The system will begin cycling the workspace. During this short window, your automations pause and the interface may briefly become unavailable. This is normal. Most restarts complete within a minute or two, depending on your environment and load. As the workspace comes back online, services reinitialize and your triggers resume listening. You should find the interface responsive again and your workflows exactly as you left them. If you were experiencing performance hiccups or a stuck execution queue, this simple restart often clears those symptoms without any configuration changes. To recap the flow you just followed, go to n8n.io, open the admin panel at the bottom left, select Manage, scroll down to the maintenance section and choose Restart Workspace. Plan restarts during low traffic times when possible and make sure you have the proper permissions. That's all it takes to confidently reset n8n while keeping your data safe.